Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. I have got the January Glossybox beauty box to share with you, and they've got a really good deal on this month. If you subscribe to the January box, you'll also receive a free mystery beauty box worth £52 as well. If you're watching this video and you've already done that and you've received your free mystery box, please let us all know what you got. I'd love to hear. I interrupt you with a sneak peek of what is going to be inside the February box. I'll pop a picture up so you can see what's inside, plus I'll put a list down below in my comments as well. Because if you're interested in taking advantage of getting a free beauty box this month, you've only got a couple of days left to do so, which means then you're tied into getting the February box. And maybe you might look at the February box and think, no, do you know what? I don't want it. Or you might think, oh yeah, I definitely want it. So might as well take advantage of the January box with the freebie. I hope I'm making sense. But yeah, so this is Glossybox UK and it costs £13.50 a month, and that's for a monthly rolling subscription. You can opt for a 3, 6 or 12 month subscription at a reduced rate. Every box has a minimum value of £50 and this one has a value of £54.50. I am a bit late in showing it. In all honesty, I've had a pretty crap start to January. I've now got cellulitis in my leg, because I fell down the blimmin' stairs, didn't I, when we had snow nearly 2 weeks ago. So I've been in and out of hospital this week, trying to balance the meds because I was going off my head. Spaced out on them, making me sick. Oh. So I haven't been able to film as much, which is why you've hardly seen any videos that I've done recently. I'm so sorry about that. But I am feeling better. My leg looks awful, but it is healing. But otherwise, I would have done this unboxing earlier. So if you're interested in this box for yourself, then as always, you will find a link to it down below in my description. I do have a refer a friend code, and that will entitle you to receive £5 off your first subscription. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, but you'll find all the details down below, and down there you'll see all my other discount codes and offers to other websites. Okay, let's start off with perfume then. You'll either receive juice or milk expressive, and I've got milk. I got a funny feeling I might not be keen on this one. I have smelt different commodity perfumes before. I had like a trial discovery pack, so you've got to try lots of different ones, and there's a couple in there I do like. I can't remember juice though, but I'm sure I've tried milk before, and I think it's a little bit too masculine, unisexy for my liking. We'll see anyway. They both retail for £14 and they're deluxe sizes. So the milk one, seeking comfort in the familiar, this creamy and calming scent offers a perfect start to the day. Cold milk adds a cooling element to an otherwise rich and warm fragrance of marshmallow, mahogany and tonka bean. The other one, which you might receive, is juice expressive. This fragrance will make your mouth water just thinking about it. Perfect ripe strawberry, rhubarb, raspberry pulp are blended until smooth with a base of amber wood. Yeah, that is more up my street, I think. That's what they look like. Ooh. There. Yeah, it's not bad. It's not a horrible perfume at all. Not one I think I would go out and buy. I think I would have preferred the juicy one. I can pass that on. So there's that. And then what have we got here? I'm trying to see if we get any variations, but no, I think there's another item inside that you get different shade variations, but it looks like we all receive the same. We've got We Are Paradox Thickening Volume Blow Dry Spray. This is a deluxe size. And this is worth £15. I haven't seen We Are Paradox for a while. Why am I spraying? It smells nice. It's a thickening spray. I'm sure I've tried this. I'm sure. Unless it's new. I don't know. This clean, vegan, 94% natural blow-dry spray delivers immediate lift, thicker looking hair and a smooth, glossy finish. Powered by Tripleplex hair growth technology, it boosts volume, strengthens strands and reduces frizz for fuller, healthier looking hair with every blow-dry. What have I done? I haven't put the lid on properly. So you've got a thickening volume blow-dry spray. We have got a lip liner by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is in parchment. Okay, let's see if we get different colours. It does say which shade will you receive, but it doesn't show the different shades. It retails for £18. Sculpt and define lips with a creamy, never shiny or slippery formula, or fill in lips with smooth velvety matte colour that doesn't feather. I like the design of the pencil, it's square. I was worried that it would be too like dark for me, but it's not. It is actually a shade. that I would use, because I've got a lot of lipsticks that are like a rusty colour. No, that's really nice. That is really, really nice. It's a proper pencil, you know. Some of the lip liners that we see are quite creamy, which are lovely. I do like them, and I like them for applying all over my lips as well. But this is a proper pencil to get a really definite line, and you know it's going to like stay put, you know. So we've got a lip liner by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Then we've got Anatomicals, and this is Me, I Just Wash and Glow, Revitalise and Renew Shower Scrub. This is full size and it retails for £5. This isn't only a very fine shower gel with the added bonus of a scrub to leave your body super smooth, no siree, it's also a time-saving product, rather more successful than the 2-in-1 electric toothbrushes and epilators. What the heck? And don't even mention the combination hairdryer and smartphone. Okay, right, I just want to smell it. So it's a body wash and an exfoliator at the same time, basically. Normally they do the most amazing scents. Ooh! I can't smell anything. Maybe it doesn't have a scent. Maybe it is fragrance free. Yeah, maybe. Look. Can you see? Woo. It's like on my hands. Yeah, it feels nice. The little bits. Normally the anatomical products I've had before are really juicy, super citrusy and fruity. It's got a very subtle smell, but then I have got lots of other smells going around me. So there's that. And then lastly, we have got a Makeup Academy Hydra Juice Peptide Lip Balm Caramel Glaze. This is full size and it retails for £2.50. These are glosses that smells as good as they look. Not only do they smell divine, these hydration hits contain palmitoyl, tripeptide, a 3 amino acid peptide and vitamin E. They're small but mighty with an incredible price apparently. Ooh, we got a colour. Yeah, I like that. I like the colour, but it's just got a very nice subtle caramel smell. So it's a Hydra Juice Peptide Lip Balm in Caramel Glaze, and we'll all get this one. So there you go. That's all the products in this month's Glossy Box. So you'll get one of 2 perfumes from Commodity. You've got a Cleanse and Exfoliating Gel by Anatomicals. You've got a Thickening and Blow Dry Spray by We Are Paradox. A lip liner, and I got it in shade Parchment. We'll all get different shades. From Anastasia Beverly Hills. And then a Peptide Lip Balm from Makeup Academy. As always, I'd love to know what you think. Are you a subscriber? Are you happy with this month's box? Or are you watching this thinking, do you know what? I quite like the products this month. Plus, I'm up for having a free box as well. I'd love to hear. Or are you thinking, nah, do you know what? It's not for me. I'd love to hear. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.